Once upon a time, a little bird loved to play all day in the forest. But the little bird never cleaned its nest. Twigs and leaves were all over. Instead of tidying up, the little bird spent all day playing with friends. One day, a big wind came rushing through the forest. The little bird's messy nest wasn't strong enough to stay in place. Oh no! The twigs and leaves blew away in the strong wind. Without a strong nest, the little bird had nowhere to sleep. A wise old owl saw what happened and came to help. The owl said, "If you clean a little every day, your nest will stay strong." The little bird listened and started picking up twigs one by one. Then, it added soft feathers and leaves to make the nest warm. Soon, the nest was clean, strong, and ready for any weather. The wind came back, but now, the nest didn't move at all. The little bird felt safe, warm, and happy in its clean nest. From that day on, the little bird always kept its nest tidy.
Like, subscribe, and get notified when a new video is out. Thank you.